Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok following others too frequently. Try again later. So guys, when you try to follow anyone on your TikTok account in your iPhone or in your Android device and you will see this type of error again and again, I will help you how can you fix this. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back. So guys, now you need to scroll it down. From here you need to click on general, and after this check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN, and now you need to go back. So guys, now you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there's network problem, and now you have to go back on your home screen, and after this open your app store, and after opening your app store, here you need to search TikTok. So guys, after searching it, you need to open TikTok and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, you need to update your app, and after doing update you need to go back and check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings, click on general, and guys, now you need to click on iPhone storage, and after this scroll it down. Now you need to click on TikTok and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this you need to go back and you need to follow again your friends and check that your problem will be fixed. And guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem and still all of these methods are not working for you, then open your TikTok app, and guys, after this click on your main profile icon, click on three lines and click on settings and privacy, and after this scroll it down, and guys, now you can see report a problem. Click on it, and now you need to wait. From here guys, you can see interaction and click on follow, and now you need to, or you will see multiple errors. You can select follow to first, and guys, after this you need to click on no and click on need more help, and here you need to contact with your TikTok support team, and you have to tell your problem and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.